feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's PINKPOSH, and for those of you who are new, welcome. Welcome. So guys, as you guys can see by the title of this video, we are going to be doing another installation of a gorgeous Bellami hair lace front human hair wig. So today's wig we are going to be installing on my head is going to be Bellami's Kiki lace front 100% human hair wig. And guys, this wig is life. It's not only a black wig that you can wear for every day. This wig is 26 inches long and she goes all the way down to the booty. Yes guys, when I first received this hair, like I have a lot of natural hair color wigs that I like to wear on a daily basis, but this wig stood out. Why did she stand out? Because she comes pre-bleached, guys. You do not have to bleach your knots. Like, that's like the first thing I noticed when I took it out of the packaging. I'm like, oh my god, this saves so much time going through the process of bleaching the knots. As we all know, that can be very time consuming. So thank you so much, Bellami Hair, for saving us time with bleaching the knots. That was like an awesome idea. So I'm just gonna hop right into the video and show you guys the unit itself. Okay, so as you guys know, all of their wigs come with this beautiful velvet hair bag, and I'm going to open it up and show you guys the beautiful Kiki wig. So of course, not only does the wig come with this beautiful velvet storage bag, it comes with hair care instructions, which a lot of us need. Sometimes we don't know how to care for our wigs, so Bellami has you guys covered. It also comes with a wig cap, and you guys know we need the neutral cap. You guys know that all of Bellami wigs also come with a wig stand, which is freaking amazing because like I myself have nowhere to store my wigs, so the fact that it comes with a wig stand is a super duper plus. And you guys know it comes with a cute little Bellami brush. This one is in black, and this is what the brush looks like. Super duper cute brush. Okay, so this is what Kiki looks like. This wig is so beautiful, and it looks like the hairline is customized. So we are not going to be doing any plucking today. I am going to basically show you guys how to apply this wig on your head. So once you get your Bellami wig, you take it out the packaging, and you can watch my video for reference on how to apply it, and you don't have to customize it. So that's what's the most amazing part about these wigs. So this is the wig itself. This is how it looks. As you guys can see, it comes attached with the tag. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you guys the wig construction so that you guys can know what you will be getting in this wig and how they made it so much easier for your wig to look natural and for it to be slayed and laid down. So as you guys can see, we have a comb here, and a comb here. And we also have these straps, which literally looks like a bra strap, which I think is such a great idea. They are adjustable, so you can pick whichever level of tightness you want your wig to be. I'll probably go all the way. And this is the length of the lace. As you guys can see, you get a lot of parting space. And this wig is just like really nicely constructed. When you want your wigs to look slayed, I think it's important to do the ball cap method. I mean, you don't have to do that method. Like sometimes I don't do it, but I think when you want it to look like completely snatched, that you should do the ball cap method. So we're gonna do that today. They do offer their caps in different colors. They have a darker natural color, they have the regular natural color, and they also have a black cap. So that's pretty amazing. But we are gonna go with the light cap. I'm probably gonna fast forward through this process because I feel like I always do it and you guys already know how I do it. So
Spend my going for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
So while this cap is still technically drying, because if you put the Got to Bleach gel back on it again or the freeze spray, the cap is going to start sliding off and then you're going to have to start all over. So we are going to size the wig on my head and go ahead and cut off the extra lace. Fix the straps in the back and I'm going to adjust them as tight as I can. You guys, I like my wig to be tight and secured.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
How the wig looks on my head. Of course, you guys can still see the cap because we haven't like tinted it or anything. So we're just gonna cut this extra lace off so we can move on to the next step.
Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles.
Now again, when you cut your front lace, you are going to go zigzag.
Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. Stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
And so this is how the wig looks on my head once it's nice and laid. I absolutely love the way it came out. Now is where you would reapply your forehead makeup or whatever, so like it's not like white hair and it doesn't blend in. So now is where you would reapply or just basically put your full face on. And this is how the wig looks in its natural state. I didn't do anything to it yet. Like I literally just glued it on my head. It does come with a middle part. If you guys want to do baby hair, that's fine. But if you don't, the wig looks perfectly fine if you don't do baby hair. I personally, this is the middle part. This is how the middle part looks. Let me just show you the complete part. But obviously you can make the part wherever you want. So this is how my scalp would look if it was. Well, hello. You guys. Do you guys see this part? Like seriously, look at that. It looks like my scalp. You guys, look how beautiful this hair looks. Every time Bellami never upsets me with their wig. Okay, so this is how the wig looks all set and done, and I am absolutely obsessed, guys. Can you tell by the smile on my face? I love this wig, guys. I'm just gonna back up a little bit so I can show you the full length. I'm gonna try to show you the full length. This is how long the wig is. So much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I absolutely love Bellami hair. This wig is another killer. Like the last wig was popping, but I absolutely love this one too. And don't forget to use my my code at checkout, which is PINKPOSH. Don't forget to use my code and save you guys some coins. Till next time, guys. Bye.